This is the emergency shelter near McQueens Knob, and that's all it is an emergency use only. Now I don't know what kind of emergency, but it would have to be pretty bad. Somebody has X'd it out for whatever reason, I don't know. We don't maintain it at all, so this should never be used as a destination. There's no camping around here either, no good campsites. North of here, about a mile or so, is Abingdon Gap Shelter. And south, about maybe 7 miles or so, is Double Spring Shelter. So there's really no good reason to stop here and use this as a destination. It's just here to maybe get out of the rain for a little while if it's coming down hard, but wouldn't want to stay here.